Accessing background service status in ASP.NET Core Minimal APIS. Introduction. In ASP.NET Core, background service runs tasks in the background, but sometimes you want to expose its status via your API endpoints. Minimal APIS provide a streamlined approach, but directly accessing hosted services can be tricky. This guide shows a clean way to share state from a background service with your minimal API endpoints. The problem. You have a background worker implementing background service, for example. Your MyService tracks some Boolean status or counters you want to retrieve through an API endpoint. However, add-hosted service registers the service in a way that doesn't easily allow direct access or dependency injection of the implementation itself. The solution: use a shared interface with Singleton. Step 1. Define an interface. Create an interface that inherits from iHosted service and adds your own status method. This allows you to expose any status information via a dedicated method. Step 2. Implement the service. Implement the interface and maintain your state internally. Step 3. Register the service correctly. Register the service as a singleton and as a hosted service, ensuring the same instance is used. This registers your service as a singleton for D and also starts it as a hosted service in the background. Step 4. Inject and use in Minimal API. Now, in your Minimal API endpoints, inject iTimed hosted service and call getState to access the background worker's status. Summary. Define a shared interface extending iHosted service with your status method. Implement your background worker using this interface. Register the implementation as a singleton and a hosted service using the same instance. Inject this interface into Minimal API endpoints to expose background status. This approach cleanly separates background work and API status exposure without losing thread safety or introducing complex synchronization.